Hi, I'm Angel. I'm a student taking up international studies and I'm also into pageantry and modeling.
Hi, ako si Joel, usa ko ka talent development and data lead.
Every day, I show a different version of myself. Competitive, academic, and creative.
Mga challenges na ko as a trainer kanang model og different personalities. Mutuo ko nga ang success sa akong trainees kay successful nako kay pasabot ana effective akong teaching sa ila. In my role as a trainer, I have to make sure that they will learn something. So if they learn something from me, that's an accomplishment for me as a trainer.
Kaya I start strong with Alert Optimum. It helps me feel kampante and it helps me feel fresh, clean, and protected.
It helps me deep clean my teeth. Kampante ko musturya in front sa akong mga trainees. I believe na smile is very contagious. If you bring smile to people, you inspire people and it will inspire you back.
It is very important to have clean and fresh-looking teeth kasi it's the first thing that judges see. Alert Optimum has helped me feel empowered, especially when meeting new people. Kasi it's parang, you don't have to hide anything. Kahit malapitan, malayuan. I can honestly say that Alert Optimum helps me stay ready. Not just sa stage, but sa everyday life.
Kung nag-atiman ka sa lahi-lahi nga mga papel, parehas na ako, kinahanglan kag isa ka butang nga optimum. Mao nang Alert Optimum result ko.
My winning smile? That's deep, clean, optimum, galing.
Mag-Alert Optimum ka na rin.